What's up, everyone? Matt here from Matt's Lock Shop. This is going to be my review of Covert Instruments FNG set and Covert Instruments uh, Genesis pick set. Two starter sets. I'm looking at 100 subscribers to give this away to someone since I do wilderness survival. I'm also looking at giving away a 6-inch ferro rod and a striker to kind of cover that side. So this will be brand new. I have not used this one, so it's there. I do like the clear lock. It does give you an idea of what's going on inside the locks, so that's always good to know what you're picking at. Not a fan for straight up picking those. Think you're better off getting a regular padlock for learning, practicing, and all that. So this kit comes with a rake and a hook and a turning tool. Turning tools .040 and they're 25s, but they're nice picks. So somebody will be getting this set when I get up there to 100 subscribers. This will be one of my giveaways, and I'll give like I said, a brand new 6-inch ferro rod to somebody in a separate drawing. We'll do 2 drawings, since I try to cover 2 things on my channel. Well, 3 things: locksmithing, lock sport, and wilderness survival. I have the Covert Instruments Apex. This was the loaded. So there's this case, and then there's 3 other cases that come along with the loaded. Nice picks. Maybe we'll do a separate video on that. But as for a starter set, this would be my recommendation. The Genesis. I've been carrying this and using it quite a bit. I actually used it on a couple home lockouts in the field. Lock sports stay legal. I get paid to do that. Being a locksmith, I'm licensed, bonded, and insured. But anyway, we'll move on. Comes with 3 double-ended turning tools. 30, a 40, and a 50. I like those. I'm a bottom of the keyway guy. Always have been from the time I started picking locks like 30 years ago. I've been using these for bottom of the keyway, and I've been using these for top of the keyway. But I need to practice my top of the keyway. Get frustrated when when the tension wrench goes flying. So you get 2 rakes, 2 hooks, and you can quite pick quite a bit with this set. It's good for learning. None of this stuff existed when I started out. I got HPC picks. I still carry those. They're in my EDC pick set, and I carry for doing lockouts with me all the time. I have a video on my channel for that. But yeah, for the price tag, I would recommend both. the FNG set if you're new, and the Genesis set. Gives you a nice pouch. It is magnetic. Little room to grow, expand it. You do get the same picks in both, but having a couple extras, especially when you're new, isn't bad. I haven't tried with these because this set I am keeping, this one I'm giving away. So I do have a tendency to modify a hook into V-shape on the tip to help grab the pins. I know some manufacturers call that a monkey paw, I believe. But yeah, recommended. Especially if you're starting out, I would recommend both sets. To give you a good start, but that's my recommendation for the Covert instruments in my review of them. I have used them to pick in, I think, a couple videos, but yeah, I have been carrying this for a few weeks now, and I like them. So it's been Matt with Matt's Lock Shop. Thank you all for watching. Like and subscribe. Trying to get to 100. We'll do a giveaway. Appreciate everybody. Thank you very much. This is Matt.